Is your Nissan Kicks infotainment screen turning black when you plug in Apple CarPlay? Statistics show that the vast majority of these glitches are caused by simple cable or handshake issues. Let us walk through the troubleshooting steps to get your connection back online. Start by using a certified Apple cable and cleaning out your USB port to ensure a solid connection. Software conflicts are common, so check your phone and infotainment system for pending updates. If simple checks fail, try forgetting the car from your phone settings and performing a hard reboot of the system. Most issues are DIY friendly, but if you still see a black screen, it may point to a hardware fault in the head unit. Cables account for the majority of these reports, so do not overlook the simplest solution first. For advanced users, inspecting the fuse box can reveal power issues that cause display blackouts. Keep a basic toolkit in your glove box to handle these intermittent connection gremlins on the fly. Remember, if the screen flickers or works only sometimes, the cable is almost always the primary suspect. Try these steps, and if the issue persists, your local Nissan service center is the next stop.